Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Digimon New World on Android. First, ensure your device meets the game's specifications. Most modern Android phones with at least 4 GB of RAM and a recent operating system version should run it well. Also, confirm you have at least 2 GB of free storage. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is crucial for downloading the game efficiently and avoiding data overages. Once your device is ready, open the Google Play Store application. Use the search bar to find Digimon New World and ensure you select the official game. Tap the Install button to start the download and installation. The game size is often around 1.5 GB, so this might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Accept any required permissions to complete the setup. After installation, find the Digimon New World icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap to launch it. The game might download additional data packs, which could be several hundred megabytes. Follow the on-screen tutorial to understand the basic mechanics, such as movement, combat, and menu navigation. Spend some time exploring the interface to get comfortable with all the features. To enhance your gaming experience, consider adjusting the graphics settings within the game's options menu. Lowering resolution or texture quality can significantly improve frame rates on less powerful devices. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Finally, always keep your game updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and introduce new content, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.